Hey guys, it's me.
Cut it down.
I'm over here with a landowner. And he's got a dog. What's her name? Kit, right?
Yep.
Kit's a pit bull. She's a pretty girl. And I've decided I'm going to mount her on the front of an excavator with a pit bull cutting head. Look at this girl.
Hurry up, cut it down.
Get that tree down, Kit. Get it down. Cut that tree down. Atta girl. Oh, you get it. Look at the stub she's got. Watch this. Get it. Get it. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh, boy.
Cut it down.
Cut it down. We got to get that brush cleaned out, girl. Wow.
Go on, get it. Get it
Sure.
down.
Pat, you sure she ain't a beaver? Look at that thing go. Oh, she's a beautiful girl, and she cut trees too. Wow. Look out, Mammy. I might have me a new girlfriend. Wow.
There you go.
Got it.
Get the other one.
Get it. Get it. Oh my gosh. I've never seen like it. Here, let her get this one over here.
Here.
Get this one right here.
Here.
Here, get this tree.
This one right here.
No,
This
not
one.
that one.
Hey,
You want me to
this
mark them for you? There you go. Get it.
there you go. Cut
Get
that
it.
one down.
Cut it down. I can't believe I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Get it. Cut it down.
I wonder if we ought to all have hard hats on. That is too good, man. That's Kit the tree-eating dog. Kit, that's Kit a buncher.
All right, pull it down.
Come on, cut that off. We got to get going here. We need production. Now then you got to load them on the truck, girl.
Go on.
Oh, she's a beautiful girl too. Look at her. She's pretty.
There you go.
Oh yeah,
Pull
get it. Oh, get it.
Cut
Get
it
that.
down.
Get that tree, Kit. I'm surprised she got any teeth left. Wow. Oh, they love that. I bet you that feels good on her jaw. Yep. What? Good girl. Good girl. I'd give her a treat, but she don't want one. She just wants to chew another tree.
They have how many pounds of
Come here, baby. Oh, wow. Like 3,000 pounds per square inch. Come here. Are you pretty or what? Oh, you are a beautiful girl. Oh, you are. Oh, you're going to eat that one too? You gonna eat you gonna eat that one too? Wow. I never seen anything like it. I was over here talking to Pat. I bought some timber off him. And we're over there signing a contract and whatnot, and I hear this crash. I'm like, what the heck is that? He saw that dog's cutting trees down. Wow.
Here's some more.
There's one over there. Get that one, Kit.
Hey.
That's a little bit easier. Get that one. Oh, no, she said, I want this one.
Yeah, she wants that one for some reason.
Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. That is bloody amazing. That stick is 1 inch in diameter. Wow. I wouldn't want her gnawing on my fingers.
Pull it out.
What?
Here.
You got it. Good
Here's one.
girl.
Hey, come here, get this one. This is a good one.
Oh, look at you
She
go.
likes that one for some reason.
Look at yeah. Forrest is going to be kind of mad if you leave them stumps up that high, girl. Yes. My God, the muscles in that dog's jaw. Wow. Oh, she's pretty, though.
Come here.
I
Here,
love them
enough.
dogs.
All right, chew. Here, get this one. Look, here's one.
Yeah, that's an easy one.
Here.
She said, Dad, that's just a twig. See, I want this veneer log. She's got to start on that black oak, red oak, or whatever
Chew it
is
off.
next. The black oak.
Here, get this one. This is the one I want.
Unreal. Unfreaking real.
Here.
Hey, you want a bowl of chili?
No, I'm good, buddy. Thank you.
Brand, this is my buddy's place.
Oh,
His
is it?
wife made us a big pot of chili and put it out there.
Here's another one.
Wow.
Don't need a hedge trimmer.
That is amazing. I've never seen anything like it.
Ain't that an oak or something? That'd be hard.
That's one of them witch hazel things or something. Boy, if you could train her to just trim the bad ones out, leave them.
Exactly. Get it off.
Go ahead, cut her down, girl. Oh, look at you go, girl. I'll bring it to the trail and bunch it for the skidder. I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
Here, get this big one.
Get the big one.
Get this big one right here.
Oh yeah, Dad, I'll get that one. Give me that one. Get it down lower there, ding dong. You can reach it better. Oh, she's just trimming the limbs off. She's just pruning that one. You could hoist her up. Look at that. You could hoist her up in the tree on a rope. She could trim the tops out.
Hi, my name's Kip, and I cut trees.
Oh yeah. Anybody need to do a Parker?
Yeah, you don't even get to work anymore.
Hell no.
Oh my God, she is amazing. Oh, rough, rough. Oh, look at you go. Oh, yeah, if you breathe hard on that, it'll help. Oh, you can get that one. Should just do this for hours, huh?
Hours till you gotta stop her because her mouth will be all bloody.
Oh,
She won't quit.
unbelievable. Unbelievable. Isn't that amazing, though? That must feel good to her or something.
It does. That's what,
Must-
why they do it.
Yep. You all done, babe? You need a break? You need a break, honey? You can hear the fibers breaking in that wood.
So I get her all cut down.
That is absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like it.
She gets it right in the right spot with her teeth.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's got it inside. Look at that. She's got it back in them incisors back there, just mashing it.
You need to get her a bumper sticker that says stay at least 250 feet.
Stay keep back.
Are we done eating steaks?
Wow. Dad wants to go now, honey.
Kitty cats.
Yeah, so don't get stay away. Come here. Kit, come here, babe. Come here. How about a nice love? Oh, you're a pretty girl. You are a pretty girl. I'll tell you what. That is absolutely amazing. Boy, if you had a chipper, she could just put it right in a chipper. Look at that. See, give me that dang stick. Cam, let her nibble on your fingers.
Yeah.
She wouldn't. You could do anything.
Oh yeah, she just yeah, she's just a good girl.
She wouldn't even growl. I've never heard her.
No,
Pick her up.
it's just beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Pick her right up. Look at that. Look at that.
She's heavy.
Oh yeah, she's stout, man. That's all terrier right there, no doubt. Bull terrier. God, they're such cool dogs. Look at that. I just can't believe it.
You know that truck tire over there? If you rolled it down the road,
Oh yeah,
she would get it.
Yeah.
Literally chew the sidewalk. White over
Wow.
How about this meat?
I had a friend of mine had one that he'd get into cans.
Yeah.
If you left, like they'd collect, the empty beer cans,
Yeah.
put them in a bag, and if he got near them, he'd shred them, and I don't know what it was, the blood in his mouth or what, I don't know, but he'd just tear into them things, and he cut his, had to stop it because the poor
Yes.
thing would cut himself all up. But he would poop cans. He'd take a crap and there'd be tin and aluminum in his crap. Looked like Budweiser cans. I never seen anything like it. We caught him one day. We got home. I was working with the guy in the woods, a buddy of mine up in Rhode Island there, and we got home and he's like, "Oh damn it!" He says, whatever his name was, he says he got into the cans. I gotta stop him or he'll cut himself all up. He was pretty much content by then. He'd chewed about 20 of them up. And there's a big pile of crap over there, and there's all aluminum shreds in it. It's like, oh my God. Look at her go. Man, she could cut you some firewood. Camp firewood.
Oh, yeah.
That's
She
awesome.
goes everywhere with me.
That's cool. Well, that's our big adventure for today.
Where are
That's
we going?
Kit the chainsaw dog. Huh?
Get over here. Leave a stick alone.
The pitbull chainsaw.
Put it down. Hey.
She saw, Dad, I worked hard for that thing.
She says, hey.